Please do something. てform and ください. If you want to use this phrase, you need to know てform. Okay? So in this video, I'm showing you the part 1 of group 1 verbs. Group 1 verbs is the same as verb, but I explain using mass form in this video. So group 1 verbs are a bit difficult to make てform because there are several subcategories. Okay? So in this video, I show you the part 1, the first category. So, 1B. Sounds strange, but it means you find E sound like 買います or ち sound like 持ちます or D sound like 帰ります before ます right? So 買います change to 買って買います means buy 買って持ちます change to 持って okay? 帰ります return change to 帰って okay? So 買って持って帰って so small 2 and て yeah? So please buy 買ってください please have or please hold 持ってください please return please go back 帰ってください right? てform and ください please do something group 1 verbs part 2 yes if you want to say please do something you need to learn てform and then group 1 verbs has lots of subcategories so I separated videos to explain so this one is group 1 part 2 okay so part 2 is be me ni strange okay but it means 呼びます so be is here means call 飲みます me is here before ます 飲みます and then 死にます means die before ます ni sound so before ます be or me or ni they work in the same way so 呼びます change to 読んで読んで means call 飲みます change to 飲んで and 死にます change to 死んで so 飲んで and 死んで okay so so for example please call a taxi タクシーを呼んでくださいタクシーを呼んでください please drink tea お茶を飲んでくださいお茶を飲んでください oh I don't want to say please die no it's not nice voice but this is just a practice okay because the ni sound verb is this one only yeah so that's why 死んで is here right so be me ni is in group 1 and works like んでてform and ください please do something group 1 verb part 3 yes the third category is し before ます so like 話します means talk so it changed to 話して話して okay 話して okay the next category is き before ます like 聞きます okay this means listen okay it changed to 聞いて聞いて聞いて okay but there is one big exception this is 行きます means go as you can see it has key sound before ます but it changed differently okay it changed to 行って this is big exception so please remember 行って right and the final category is ぎ so like 泳ぎます means swim okay it changed to 泳いで泳いで okay like いで in てform okay so please talk 話してください can you see please listen 聞いてください please go 行ってください please swim 泳いでください alright